everyone, and welcome to the very first We STEAM.
We STEAM.
We're so excited. This week we have our little bags of sand, and we're going to learn to write our letters in sand. So I have the bags of sand for you. Just come by and do our curbside service here at the library. Call us at the youth department at 850-522-2118, and we will bring out a bag of sand for you. So find any container at home that's kind of flat so the sand can push out and the kids can see the letters clearly. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour our sand in the container. You gonna try this too, Miss Tania?
Yep, I'll be careful.
Right, there we go. And then you can either gently shake it a little, get that nice and flat, or
and
squeeze it out with your hand.
Oh, and we have these nice lids.
And we do. We always have lids because somebody might be a little messy. Okay, so you just take your finger and you start writing your letter. So for the letter A, we start at the bottom, go diagonally up, and then diagonally down, and then make it across the A, and you have your letter A. Okay, simple as that. We're going to show you a close-up of our letters in just a moment. But we hope you have fun. Stay tuned next week for the next We STEAM.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Okay, and here we have Miss Tania making her A. We go up diagonally, down diagonally, and across. And there is an A. And now we're going to make a lowercase a. That was an uppercase A. Now let's make a lowercase a. Round, it's kind of like an oval shape, and it has a little stick so it stays up. Nice job, Miss Tania.